Welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 25th of April 2019. So the pound down again yesterday, going through the 76% retracement, finding a bit of support at this level at the moment, but not a great deal of selling around. It's again is the US dollar that is moving higher. Just go to a daily chart. You can see we've got a bit of a move to the upside at the moment, and this is putting downward pressure on the pound there, which you can see. But it's still fairly quiet, and still apparently talks going on with Brexit. Pound moving higher up to the DP and the 200 bar moving average before we got a bit of a retracement back, and then it moving lower over 50 points, but still very quiet there. Holidays today for Italy, and there's nothing else apart from the durable goods for the US, so a fairly quiet week after Easter seems to be the thing at the moment, and certainly sideways for the Dow as well. Yesterday the market down, but rebounding on the overnight, and again it's one of those where the market, just drag this over, had made most of its move in the pre-market session, then it became a bit choppy, and it gave back the gains. That's another pattern that we've seen for a long time now in this market, and then trying to move higher after opening lower, and then eventually making its way back to where it started in the pre-market session, which you'll see over here in this area here, down towards the low here, which is 26,600. So this market's testing this level yesterday before the close, and then rallying back to the 200 bar moving average, not managing to close above this, and then moving lower there. And the market's been sideways and is attempting now to move back to the upside there on the overnight. So if you look at the daily chart, it's still trying to get to the all-time high. I don't know what's going to drive it to this level, and how it's going to actually hold at this level when we get to the double top. And then of course we've got May coming up shortly, and the old adage, sell in May, go away. So we'll see what happens as we approach May. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin, profit taking yesterday, you can see the selling there as we broke through the resistance. We're now back through this. So again, as we noted yesterday in the alert, watch for a retracement in this market to keep it all intact there. And in the 4 hour, you can see the selling taking place, what appears to be over a 4 hour period, when in fact it was all done and dusted in one bar, which then was retested later on in the session, but still not enough in these bars. You can see they're only $4 to $5 ranges. Just get these big spikes that come out of nowhere through the 200 bar moving average there. A bit of volume around, but yeah, it still needs something to bring up that intraday range. It still hasn't got it, so we're not even trading probably $20 at the moment in this range. We need at least 50 to 100 in each bar just to make it interesting and worthwhile sitting there and watching it. Okay, that will do it for this one. There's not a lot to report because, well, frankly, there's not a lot going on at the moment. So let's see how things pan out during the day, and yeah, see what happens. Okay, with that, I will conclude. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.